Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to another What We've Had for Dinner, and this is a bit of a mix and match. So some of it is still cleaning out the freezer and making sure everything doesn't fall on me, and also some of things I've gotten on markdown this week that we've had. So I found chicken cordon bleu and a chicken Kiev marked down from Coles. So grabbed out some arancini balls for my son and daughter because they don't really like chicken things, and just cooked some chips and did some veg on the side. I cut each of the chickens in half so hubby and I could taste both of them. The next day I found these chicken portions that weren't marked down, so I cooked them up and I pulled the chicken off for my son, and we just had veggies and chips again. The next day I found some potatoes that were marked down, so I grabbed them because they haven't been the best in price these days, and I made up a stew with the leftover lamb that we had from a roast. And then of course I put mashed potato on the side of that, and then my son just had mashed potato with a pasty. I didn't do any extra veg because there's heaps of veg inside the pasty. The next night we have had some burgers for dinner because I got a coleslaw marked down. I've cooked the chips, and it was actually a repeat copy of one of the meals we've had from Dinnerly, so it was pretty easy. And then we've had some pizzas, which we like to have all the time. I got this ham marked down, so we used up a whole lot of that. We're using up leftover pineapple. We've still got shredded cheese, leftover chicken, and the pizza bases were from the big freezer. This night was a mixture of use it up. So my daughter's having a pumpkin ravioli with some passata sauce, so I had to cook hers first and then wash out the pan, and then cook my son some 2-minute noodles, and then wash out the pan and cook his arancini balls. And then hubby and I had this chicken and garlic ravioli with a white sauce because again I got both of these marked down. So I was under the pump because I was trying to get out the door for Zumba and cooking all 4 meals. I just didn't have enough pots to cook everything on the go, but still, that's what we do. And our last meal for the week. So the children have had chicken parmesanas because that's what they really love, and hubby and I have had chicken Kievs because the children are not very fond of that. I've got beans on my plate, woo, and Kira's got some green trees. So it's a short week, but still I thought I would share with you the meals that we've had, and I so appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.